Hopefully you were able to do your exercise, and let's do this exercise in my side. First of all, I will unallocate reviewer, and we will find a new resource for reviewer 1. So I will go here to reviewer and unallocate. Now I'm going to go ahead and allocate another reviewer, view resource sheets. We can just go ahead and call reviewer I will call it reviewer 1. Enter its work. This one I will make it cost is $25, and I will go ahead and allocate a schedule for this source. So to allocate schedule for this resource, I go to project, change working time. I go to create new calendar. I can call this one calendar for reviewer. This is going to be standard to make copy to my standard, so I can see my weekend. I can see if there is any annual vacation. Now I can click OK. I go ahead and change the days. Now you can see from my calendar is calendar for reviewer. I go to work, weeks, I click into details, I click Monday until Thursday. I want Friday, Saturday, Sunday is work, stay off. So I click highlight all these, and I just put set days to these specific working items. Here it's showing me from 1 to 5. I just want it from 10 to 14, so I will click this one once, I hit delete, I come to this and I put 14 instead, which is from 8 to 2 o'clock. Then I click OK. Now you see 3 days are off, and then working days, it's showing from 8 to 2. You can change it from 10 to 2, but I'll just put it 8 to 2 and click OK. Now we set the calendar. Now we can allocate this calendar to reviewer 1. Click OK, view. Now I can click reviewer 1 to calendar for reviewer. Now I go to my Gantt chart, task, Gantt chart, go to reviewer room. Now I can allocate reviewer 1. If you are noticing here that the duration here is showing 2 days 16 hours, which is wrong, because we have it from 8 to 2. So to double check this one, I double click here, I go to advanced, I change fixed unit to fixed duration. I click OK. Now it shows me 2.5 days for 16 hours, which is correct now.